That black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Hey wonderful people, it's Kellster here from youtube.com/Kellster Makeup, and I'm back with a new video. So today, as you can see by the title, I am unboxing and reviewing my first headband wig. That is Love Me Hair. As you guys can see, the box is very, very pretty. So like I said, this is my very first headband wig, and I am in collaboration with Love Me Hair. If you have been a long time viewer of my channel, you know that your girl used to love wearing weaves and wigs 24/7. That was my thing when I first started my channel. I kind of went into my natural hair journey, and I'm still doing that. Don't get me wrong, I'm still doing that. I do miss sometimes wearing wigs and weaves. The only thing is I don't mess up the integrity of my natural hair journey I'm on. I'm not trying to flat iron. I'm not trying to blow dry a lot. I'm not trying to do anything that's going to mess up the texture or damage my natural hair. So that's why I kind of went away from the wigs and weaves. And I know some of you are thinking like, okay girl, you can wear like a lace front or a frontal or something like that. Yeah, but I'm also trying to keep my edges together. Okay, I'm also on the edge regrow journey, and I'll talk about that in another video, but I don't want to do anything that's going to be jeopardizing my edges. Okay, I already have thin edges in my DNA. Okay, that's why I never kind of dibble dabble too much into lace fronts and whatnot. But now that we have these headband wigs, which you can just swoop your edges, which I do honestly anyways. You know, I like the sleek look of swooping my edges when I do my afros or my twist outs, my braid outs or whatnot, my wash and goes. So the fact that I just have to like do my edges and then slap on a headband wig and still get that same effect of having a full-on weave without any of the cost of my natural hair integrity, I'm on board, sis. So again guys, this is the Love Me Hair box. I really like the packaging. I think packaging is very, very important. Beautiful packaging on the outside and the inside. Okay, wonderful. Here is the wig, it looks like, and it comes in this beautiful dust bag. Like it comes with headbands, so you get headbands with your wig. You get a little baggie right here, and it says Love Me Hair Affordable Luxury Wig. Okay, you get a edge brush, you get bobby pins, which I love, okay, an extra band, and we got, it looks like another headband. Okay, so very pretty curl pattern, as you can see. It feels so soft to the touch, and I don't smell anything. It has that type 4 texture, I would say like a 4A kind of texture to it, a little 3C in here, so very nice. Look like there's a ton of room inside here, so that's really nice. Here is the Velcro strap, and then that is the middle comb. You have a comb right there, you have a comb right there. This headband wig is pretty big, so that's nice. It fits really nicely because my hair is not as flat as it could be. It's just as flat as I could get it. I'm gonna flip my hair down. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just kind of smush it down right in here because it does look a little big. Oh, okay. I think I'm going to kind of part it. It's a wig, y'all, so don't deep part it. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to see tracks. Ooh, Shaz is cute. Okay, we're just gonna pick it a little bit. I don't even know if I need to spray it. I may spray it a little bit. Look. Yeah, spray down a little water. Okay. So yeah, the water definitely revives those curls. So if you kind of pick it a little too much, and it elongates it, so that's nice. This is as big as I want it because I kind of want a little Diana Ross thing going on. And I'm also gonna pick at the roots a little bit. I'm gonna spin around so you guys can see the back. Pick this out. So it looks more natural. And honestly, the more I pick it, the more natural this hair is looking. Wow, this is beautiful, y'all. Okay. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. Okay, so now we're going into headband to get. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you haven't already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would really like you to join the gang, the fam, okay? And now back to our regularly scheduled programming. So, suggestion number 1, do not put your makeup on first when putting your headbands on because you'll get makeup on it. Paisley is cute. Now this headband's kind of big, you know, if you like the big headband, but if you like smaller headbands, this may not be your jam because this one is a little bit big, but it definitely covers, especially if you don't want your edges out. You can use a headband this big to cover up those edges. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try on every single headband that's included with this wig to show you what they look like styled. So yeah, this is the hair half up, half down. Just rake through that water. Ooh, see that water? Activating those juicy curls. I'm gonna spray a little bit over here too. And then here is the back, y'all. This is really cool. So as you see, when it gets wet, it kind of gives you, like the description in the name, that Jerry curl look when it's wet. But once it's dry, you get those beautiful curly cues. Styled my hair a little differently and I changed my outfit because I felt like I was doing a lot with all the colors and the headband, so I kind of went a little simplistic. I really prefer this hair down for me, but it's totally up to you, whatever hairstyles you want to do. You could do like really cute buns, you could do a ponytail, you could do a lot of stuff with this hair. I think my favorite way so far with wearing these headband and wig is to wear solid colored headbands. I actually had some headbands off rip because I like to wear headbands with my natural hair. Obviously this wig comes with some really great headbands itself. Like it has 6 really beautiful, colorful headbands that you can wear with it. I would also suggest investing in some solid color headbands like the one I have on. This one's gray. I also have black and burgundy and navy. I just got them online or whatever, just because I feel like solid colors look good with everyday wear. Obviously the prints are really cute. It gives it a va-va-voom kind of thing. Literally, guys, I cannot stress to you how freaking soft this hair is. Like, What? It's so soft. It's so soft. It's crazy. I'm definitely gonna probably look into getting more headband wigs, obviously, because this is totally a look. And you know, it's always really good to switch your hair up. I love anything that kind of gives you a protective style, and obviously this is it because you get this really stylish look and your hair is protected, and I'm all for it, especially because, as you guys know, I am on a natural hair journey. I've been on it for about 2 years now, but I've recently, in the past, I would say 6 or 7 or 8 months, been sharing it on here on my YouTube channel with y'all. Just sharing product reviews and stuff like that. So if you're interested in seeing some of those videos, check out this playlist, which I'll leave over here, wherever. You can click that to tap into some natural hairstyles and some tips and tricks and stuff. I really love this hair, and so I have a coupon code down below and the links for everything, so check it out and let me know what you think. If you have a headband wig, let me know headband wigs and styles you've tried. Hit me with a thumbs up if you like it and want to see more of these videos. And again, if you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, okay guys, and join the Kellster channel, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day, wonderful people. Bye-bye.